Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Almaty, around and round and round, all around Almaty. Kazakhstan, take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.
Okay, we're in Almaty in Kazakhstan at nighttime. So this is kind of a walking street right in here, and there's also some restaurants. There's actually all the streets in this area have a lot of things to offer. So we're going to walk down this way where all the people are at, and we'll give you a little slice of Kazakhstan, Almaty in the evening. Kazakhstan, the Arbat. So this is kind of a main pedestrian street. We got it right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We're going to be going there at nighttime and then slightly in the daytime too, so you can see the difference. Anyways, Almaty, Kazakhstan. I got the hat in China, so this is kind of a Central Asia thing. And let's get right into it, as if you were there yourself. Okay, so that's one direction we could go. We could go down that way, but we're actually going to go down this way. But there's actually things in every direction. You can even go down that way. It gets a little bit darker, but there's still shops to the left and to the right as well. And there's a mall right here too, so let me just see. We're going to choose which direction to go down. You can see all the different food choices to the right. And there's a mall to the left, which I think has LC Waikiki. We'll see some of the other ones. I think there's Starbucks and a few other ones. Got some live music around here as well. And the lighting is just about perfect to capture it all. Let me just see. Let's just kind of walk to the left here in a moment. So to the left you got Starbucks, Wendy's, KFC, Cosmart. See how it looks pretty nice. And we got a musician coming up here too, so we'll catch that in a moment. Okay, so maybe walk on that side so we can capture the musician a little bit. People everywhere. Keep on walking down. Okay, so let me we can still keep walking down as well, but let me just kind of capture. So this is kind of the bulk of where everybody's at, and there's even some murals over there. Live music. We will go a little bit further. So there's still more. Let me see. Can even walk up in these ways. I think there's more live music coming up as well. It's a little bit darker, but it's okay. and we're gonna go straight, and then we're gonna go right, and there's another street they can walk on that also is kind of interesting. And then it looks like all of these are like apartments people can live in, so you can look down upon it. Kind of nice, spacious apartments here, I think. The way things are set up kind of feels that way. Okay. So we're gonna go directly down that way, and then we're gonna go up this way. So we're gonna follow a path. So yeah, this is so Thursday evening right now. Yeah, so some flowers. And I think what we're going to be doing is going to go straight. There's a Latte Avenue to the right. We're going to be walking past some shops soon. To the right. And then it kind of changes, but this is, I think, called Arbat. And I think the street, there's quite a few walkable areas around here, but I think this is one of the main ones. Then we're going to be walking up that way in a moment. We'll go a little bit further. And there's some more music straight ahead. We'll walk that direction a little bit. And this will come to a main road right up there, and then they go down and under. So we're gonna go this way instead. And up this way we still have some other restaurants as well, and there's still people around as well. Let me see. I think we'll walk up a little bit. I don't know how far we're gonna go, but we can at least kind of capture the evening feel. You can actually see a giant apple right there. We're gonna go right towards that apple in a moment, but that apple is because Kazakhstan is where apples come from. There's a giant apple right there. And I think this street is called Arbat, and then the other one is I'll label it accordingly so you'll see exactly what it is. But a lot of people will come down this street and go right into the other one. So I think they're both pedestrian streets. And this will also have some live musicians that I saw earlier. I walked down the street earlier and I saw that. So I think as we get up there a little bit more, we'll be able to see elements of that. Beautiful street lamps. Okay. Hello. So actually last night we were kind of walking up that way, got a little too dark. Somebody said hi, and then I turned off the camera, and it just didn't really seem like a good spot to turn it back on. So we're gonna walk down this way, which is where we were at yesterday. And so you can see the last night what it's like, and right now you can hear some music in the distance. We'll walk down that way. I think it's all the way down. So maybe we'll... Oh, there it is right there. I can see it. So yeah, the accordion. That's accordion player right there. So this was kind of the main pedestrian street. So last night when we were walking through it, this is what we're seeing with all the people around. And they also have some painters over here, some artists. And I think there was musicians here last night too. I think it was in the same location, so that might be a place known for that. Okay. So we'll conclude it here. So we're gonna capture that music over there as well. And I'm gonna give a little bit of money. So we'll drop it into hers and see. You can kind of see